Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Corolla oil filter. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct new engine oil and a fresh oil filter for your vehicle. Next, safely lift your car using a jack and secure it with jack stands on a level surface. This ensures stability and provides enough clearance to work underneath. Always prioritize safety when working under any vehicle. Now let's drain the old engine oil. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan, usually a large bolt. Position your drain pan directly beneath it to collect the used oil. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow the old oil to drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Once the flow slows to a drip, you can proceed to the next step. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the old oil filter, which is typically a cylindrical canister attached to the engine block. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and carefully remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal and makes future removal easier. Now, install the new oil filter by hand until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn with the wrench. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten it securely. Carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the engine through the oil filler cap. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off and check the oil level with the dipstick. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Finally, inspect for any leaks around the filter and drain plug.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.